Samantala, pagkatapos pong mag-viral ng video ng pulong ni DILG Secretary Maroas at Tacloban Mayor Alfred Romualdez, lumabas sa internet ang mas mahabang bersyon nito. Narito po report ni Tresha Sabra.
Ito ang bahagi ng pulong ni Interior and Local Government Secretary Marojas at Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez pagkatapos manalasa ng bagyong Yolanda. Unang nag-viral ang maiksing bersyon nito na in-upload sa YouTube ng isang Jose Marie Gonzalez.
We just want to legalize this. Now, if it's not legalized, then okay, you're in charge and we have you. And that's it.
Pero sa mas mahabang bersyon na in-upload ng kolumnistang si Cito Beltran, mas naipaliwanag ang palitan ng kuro-kuro ni Rojas at Romualdez.
You have to understand, you don't want this. The president is an Aquino. So he's just taking over because he does not want anything to be disclosed to. Your congressman said, please take over, please take care of the
Base sa batas, lokal na gobyerno dapat ang unang rumesponde sa mga kalamidad. Pero dahil nakikita ng national government na biktima rin ang mga lokal na opisyal, handa na silang akuin ang ilang responsibilidad nito. Yun nga lang, gusto ni Rojas na tiyaking legal ang pagpasok ng national government at hindi sasapaw sa kapangyarihan ng mga lokal na opisyal.
No, it's not a question of legalize. They need to legalize it. Go talk to your lawyer. This is
What makes it illegal? If you are now doing what you're doing together with us.
No, it's not a question of it's together or it's not. We need to legalize a situation.
Ang ayaw raw kasi ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino, masabihan silang basta-basta na lang kumukuha ng kapangyarihan.
He's still the president of Tacloban City. I'm just the mayor. We have a problem here and we need the help of the national government. We want to legalize it, saying you step aside, and you step aside. If that's the only way that we can get additional help.
No, it's not a question of getting additional help. You're going to get all the help that is necessary, irrespective. What we want to do is we want to legalize it. The president doesn't want it. He wants to legalize it.
Sabi ni Rojas, sino mang naglabas ng maiksing bersyon ng video ng pulong ay may masamang binabalak.
Alam natin na lumabas itong video na ito at pinutol-putol, dinoktor ang niretoka itong pag-uusap na ito para maging consistent o sumuporta doon sa mga binahaging salita ni Mayor nung Senate hearing. Ang nais ko lamang gawin, linawin ang hatian ng trabaho at pananagutan ng bawat isa.
Sabi naman ni Romualdez, hindi siya ang naglabas ng video.
Hindi naman ako nagsabi ng ng may politika eh. Sila naman nagsabi nun, hindi naman ako eh. Akin lang dyan, basta tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho ko. I was invited to the Senate. So the reason I was invited is to shed light and to share my experiences here at Tacloban City para sa ganun ay kung anong mga refinement or amendments na pwede gawin sa batas na yun ay magagawa.
Wala rin daw siyang political agenda dahil ikatlong termino na niya ito bilang alkalde at balak na niyang magretiro pagkatapos. Mas mahalaga raw na pagtuunan ng pansin ang pagbangon ng Tacloban.
Mahigit 12 million ang natanggap na from the collectively from the different local governments. No? Ayoko naman banggitin kasi I don't have the list. But I know for a fact that it's more than that. Natutuwa naman ako, yung iba maliit pero maliliit na municipality sa Mindanao pa galing. So talagang nakakatawa ng puso na.
Tresha Zafra, GMA News.